motivate people by reminding them why they started. I'm Allie Cohen, and I'm a Barry's Bootcamp instructor and also a personal trainer. Barry's is a workout where we're gonna do cardio and strength training in a club setting. Working out to your full potential in a red room with amazing music, basically a party, just having a great time while getting in shape. I think it's so important to go to the gym to work out, right, to feel good, but I think it's equally as important to take care of your skin. Sometimes sports bras and other fitness apparel can cause chafing. We're down on the ground, so I feel like my elbows can sometimes be a little dry. I love that Aquaphor Healing Ointment is formulated to protect to help heal dry skin. I use it on my elbows to help to protect my skin from chafing. I keep a resistance band in my gym bag. It's great for loosening up right before workout and gives you a deeper stretch. I always tell people stretching is like the vegetables. Like, it's not always the most fun, but it is definitely important. I want you to walk into your room just ready to give yourself that full hour with no distractions and make it a full mind, body, spirit experience. One of the best things you can hear from a client is, "I didn't think I could do that." There's nothing more fulfilling than making somebody feel strong and empowered and just the best version of themselves. I think that keeping your skin moisturized is key. After showering, I use Aquaphor Ointment Body Spray to rehydrate my skin and moisturize hard-to-reach areas. Protein smoothies are great for a quick meal on the go. Protein helps muscle recovery, and also they taste amazing. Tracking your workouts is key for staying motivated, and it's gonna help give you a place to start and check in. You know where your progress is going. Finally, I always keep my gym bag packed with essentials. This makes getting ready for the next workout even easier. My mantra is health is wealth, and I believe that when you are healthy and you are doing things for yourself, stay moisturized, stay hydrated, use those products for your body, that is the best feeling in the world.